Okay, so with Bead Manager Pro, there's quite a lot that you can do with the list views to actually customize them. So if we go into our parts list view here, now one of the first things that you can do, which is quite simple, is just to actually drag these around so you can reorder them. So we can just drag the headers to wherever we want, reorder that, so that's very simple. Obviously things like clicking on the headers just to organize and sort them, and resizing them, so you can just make these to whatever size you want. And the more advanced features are to actually remove or add in columns of information that you want. So for example, just a simple way to hide a column is just to click on there, to right click and then hide field. And if you actually want to modify a whole bunch of columns, then you can right click on the headers, click on modify table view, and you'll see these are the headers that are already in here, so we could untick those. So we're going to remove those from our table view, but we can also add in more information as well. So if we click on add fields, you'll see in here there's a whole bunch of information. So this is all the data that's stored in the detailed view and in other areas. So there's all these other bits of information that you can actually add in as well. So I'm just going to pick one from here and say the last purchase info. So I could add that. I'd say OK, and now if I come back to my list view, I'll just move this one out a bit. Okay, and now I can see my SKU numbers, the part name, description, the quantity, the category, the size, and when I actually last purchased it. So that's all stored in the list view now. So it just makes them much more customizable, very friendly, so that you can actually see the exact information that you want. Now, if you actually want to reset the list views as well, if you need to go back to the default, just right click on the header, you can click on reset table view and just say yes, and that's just going to go back to the defaults that we have set into the program already.